The oil. This is not only a natural resource but a source of energy, of economic progress, and also a source of soil pollution. More than 200,000 hectares of soil are contaminated by oil products in Kazakhstan. That soil is useless and dangerous for human life. EcoStandard's team has developed a unique soil remediation technology with cosborium biopreparation. Only 1 kilogram of the preparation remediates about 1,000 tons of contaminated soil to 99%. So that is 100 times more efficient than competitive analogs. The preparation has a wide range of a storage temperature and can be easily transported. That's why the soil cleansing can be taken locally, right there on contaminated territory, inside of special self-made excavation. Cosborium contains native microorganisms of Kazakhstan soil that remediate soil by absorbing oil products. Now, our technology has been already tested successfully on many occasions, such as experimental industrial trials as Zamkaz Plus Holdings base. EcoStandard. We provide economic and industrial safety.